Welcome to the series on Bob, Roberta, Hope, the Master Deceiver. Now this is when he was on one of his so-called trips to entertain the troops, and he's in supposedly Berlin. Now many of these travel trips are questionable as to whether he went to the destinations that he claims he was at or not is open for discussion. However, in this particular clip, you are going to see and hear the reptilian nature of this deceiver, filled with demonic power.
Romy, besides me, what other outstanding leading men have you worked with?
Well, I did a film.
You don't know if you caught it or not, but he was hissing like a snake.
What's new? The cut with Woody Allen.
Outstanding leading men have you worked with?
Well, I did a film called What's New, Pussycat with Woody Allen.
Woody Allen?
I love him. He's so virulent, sexy.
Woody Allen?
Yes. He's so romantic and such a classic face.
Are we talking about the same fellow, the little spike? What other outstanding leading men have you worked with?
So there you have it. The man who hisses, the reptilian, Bob Roberta Hope, who likes to hiss like a snake. Thank you for watching. End the video.